If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First. Metal of There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya,
or pick it up at Josephine Bookshop, Book to the Nation, 8 Ugwu Road, opposite DMGS on the shop. Call 080-3338-2643 or 080-37.
In order to get manufacturers to produce some of the building materials in the market in Nigeria today, traders of building materials Ugwu Akpatiozu Nkwo Nnewi have called on government at all levels to address the factors that hamper production in Nigeria.
If the cost of production, there is no steady light. If the government can be able to fix lights, mainly good road, and reduce most of these taxes that they impose on companies so that they can come in here and produce. If they produce, I think the thing will be more cheaper and affordable, and it will make people a chance to be moving, and life will be easier for all of us.
Lamenting about the cost of goods today in comparison to the cost of goods last 2 years, a trader at building materials Ugwu Akpatiozu Nkwo Nnewi, Chukwu Oluchi, attributed the high cost of goods to technological upgrade and other economic factors, as she explains the cost.
Technology, every day, things used to upgrade. When they discover that there is a particular problem that used to occur in one item or the other, they will now upgrade it. This dollar, it used to go up and goes down. So when it drops, the prices of the market, the goods will drop as well. 2 years ago, we used to buy a bag of nail at 12,000, 15,000, but today, it's 31,000, 30, just like something like bending wire. We normally buy it at around 15,000, but this time around it's 30, 31, 32. The price just dropped small. As at 2-3 months ago, we bought it 33,000, but now it's 30, 29.
Building materials Ugwu Akpatiozu Nkwo Nnewi is known for the sales of nails, wood, binding wire, among other building accessories. However, Chukwu Oluchi lamented the insecurity in the market as she lauded Governor Soludo for his exceptional work in the state.
I will also pay this Bakassi. They say the Bakassi levy is for security. But the most problem is that they are not doing anything. They used to come and they used to break our shops. Still, we made away with our goods. Somebody like me, 2 months ago, they came to my shop. Where are those security people that would use to collect money from us? In fact, I must commend our governor. He's doing well. In fact, to me, he's the best governor so far. One of the best, in short.
From building materials Ugwu Akpatiozu Nkwo Nnewi Market, Martin Ekezie reporting for Blaze FM.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First. Metal of There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya,
or pick it up at Josephine Bookshop, Book to the Nation, 8 Ugwu Road, opposite DMGS on the shop. Call 080-3338-2643 or 080-37.